Welcome to the fourth episode of the burger building series. In this episode, we're going to be tackling the question of, do grizzlies eat burgers?
Вот тебе, а это мне. Все.
Does he like the cake that we brought?
Очень
Конечно,
вкусный.
сладенький, скажи,
Очень вкусный,
вкусненький.
свеженький.
Which basically translates to, we are going to be participating in the Grizzlython Hackathon organized by the Solana Foundation. So basically, we're going to be participating because we think it is a very good platform to gain exposure, aka to showcase our work. And we saw that this was similarly the case for the previous Lamport DAO hackathon. We believe that we got quite a bit of traction there. So the hope is that Grizzlython will also bring some traction. Although, to be frank, we don't think that we have a chance of winning anything because we're not building anything groundbreaking. We're not building any like crazy new innovative protocol. Although we do think that a lottery on chain is kind of innovative, but not as innovative as the winning prizes. So what are we actually submitting for the hackathon? Basically, we're going to be making a X NFT. I think this is going to be quite straightforward and easy to integrate. Secondly, we want to accommodate the mobile view of our application. So basically, we are going to allow for the viewing of our app on Android devices in mobile browsers because a lot of potential in the mobile realm. And then we want to lastly push our dApp to mainnet. That's been a long time coming, and that is also one of our main priorities for marketing purposes. If you want to stay tuned for more updates, then give us a follow on Twitter and stay blessed.